Stay away from this guy. Stay away from
Go, guys. Get on out.
Stay away so you don't hit nobody.
Yeah.
It's about to get knocked the fuck out.
Okay.
Hit somebody, they're gonna fucking ice them on the slice his fucking fork. That's ridiculous.
Look at that falling off the video. Oh,
Just hit the tree.
Brian, should I call the cops?
You can definitely call
He's gonna kill
somebody
somebody on 911.
is what he's gonna do.
Get his license plate. You be fucking kid something.
What are you doing, Corey?
He wants you to hit your fucking car.
What are you doing, bro?
Yeah, somebody fucking stole my gas.
No, you ran over here. Oh my God.
Hold on to the takeout. We got a
Sorry,
guy.
guys.
He's,
I'm sorry.
If somebody steals my gas again out of my car, they will die. Eli just fucked with my car. Somebody's been trying to break into my car. Somebody's been stealing my gas.
Corey, just stay over there, buddy.
If that happens again, somebody's gonna die. I'm not fucking around.
For stealing gas?
Don't
Corey, you
fuck
just
with
beat
my
the
car.
shit. Look, you just beat the shit out of your own boat. Knock the fucking outhouse.
Don't fuck with my car. You should have hit me harder.
I should have hit you harder, bro. I mean, look at your eye already.